Hi everyone and welcome to the Cinque Terre. In this video, I'll tell you about these 5 fishing villages so you can get an idea and better plan your trip. The Cinque Terre, or Five Lands, is one of Italy's most iconic and picturesque destinations. Nestled along the Ligurian coast, this UNESCO World Heritage Site combines colorful villages, dramatic cliffs, terraced vineyards, and crystal clear waters. It's a place that has inspired poets, artists, and travelers for centuries. Let's explore the 5 villages that make this destination so special. Often regarded as the gem of the Cinque Terre, Vernazza has a charming harbor, but also pastel-colored houses and medieval Doria Castle, offering stunning views of the Ligurian Sea. The easternmost village, Riomaggiore, is iconic for its steep streets and picturesque marina. It's a great starting point for exploring the Cinque Terre Trail and enjoying fresh seafood by the water. The largest of the villages, Monterosso is known for its sandy beaches and the beautiful church of San Giovanni Battista. It's the perfect spot for relaxation and a seaside walk. A postcard-perfect village, Manarola is famous for its vineyards and the romantic Via dell'Amore trail. The colorful houses cascading down the cliffs make it a photographer's dream. Perched atop a hill, Corniglia is the quietest of the villages. Its narrow streets and panoramic views make it a peaceful retreat. I found each village having its own unique charm, and together they create a magical destination. If you visit Italy, be sure to add the Cinque Terre to your bucket list and don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.